These series of videos are relevant for both men and women who want to grow their own hair. If you want to grow back your own hair, if you want to stop your hair fall, you want to grow back your own hair and you want to improve the texture of your hair, what you need to do is to understand a lot of things which I am going to be sharing in this video. First, you must go and listen to the previous videos in the same series where I have spoken about all you need to know about healthy hair and how your health, the health of your cells, your hormonal health, your nutritional health, your mental health, your emotional health, all of this, how it affects your hair. I have spoken about all of this, and I have also spoken about so many other things that are influencing your hair growth, that are impacting your hair growth. On my YouTube channel, you can go and use the relevant words or hashtags and listen to all of them, because the more knowledge you have, the more information you have, that empowers you to take informed decisions. And when you take informed decisions, your chances of getting results are very, very high. You do not waste money. Once you have the right information, there are greater chances of doing the right thing and not wasting either time or money. That is the basic reason I make these videos, because information grows as it is shared. Information definitely empowers all of you. So be empowered with the right information, then choose more empowerment by getting into action and finding out what really fits you. So in these series of videos, what you need to learn about if you want to understand how to have healthy hair is, one is you need to listen to the video where I talk about the 5 different reasons for hair loss, where I talk about the difference between male and female hair loss, which is a female pattern or a male pattern baldness because of testosterone. I have also made a video about what to eat for healthy hair. That video is relevant to you. I have spoken about dandruff and how dandruff can also resemble psoriasis or seborrheic dermatitis. That video is important to you. Dandruff shampoos and how to get the most out of them. That video will also help you. Do you know non-sulfated shampoos can make your hair healthy, or rather sulfated shampoos are making your hair really dry and frizzy? What exactly are these non-sulfated shampoos and how you can benefit from them? You can Google on my YouTube channel and know more about them in a very, very simple language. I've spoken about thyroid and hair loss. I've spoken about polycystic ovarian syndrome and hair loss. In fact, I'll be doing a whole video series on polycystic ovarian syndrome in the next few weeks to come. You shouldn't miss it if you are somebody who believes that scientific care understanding is very, very important. Yes, we have also started an online consultation where we are going to go into the depth of why you have this hair loss, what you are actually looking for, what is your aspiration, and we will create a customized basket for you which will make you healthy at a cellular level and which will ensure that your hair is healthier than ever. This will work both for men and women of any age. So we're starting this really, really soon. So you should also keep in touch to know if this is going to be something that can be a game changer for you. You should be in touch with us so that you can know about how SkinSense is reinventing themselves and how you can fit into this reinvention, because it is time we be the best version of ourselves. It was always necessary, but now we just don't have the luxury to be lazy. We need to step up our game and we need to be the best version of ourselves. Those of you who are not looking at a transplant, because we do not do transplants, what we do is grow your own hair. You can also look at videos on hair mesotherapy and PRP therapy. Both I have made extensive videos on and simplified and helped you understand what are these therapies. Alternately, you could even connect with me, personal message me, go on my website, sharing the link in the description, and fix an appointment with the SkinSense team. We will even forward you the relevant videos where you have the questions, and we can even have a one-to-one consultation. Either you can come down to the clinic, we can sit across each other and understand what are your needs, desires, problems. We can also do this online. In fact, that's a part of our reinvention, where now SkinSense will be able to cater to anybody, anywhere in India, because we are starting online consultations. I always said the comeback is going to be greater than the setback. and we have already started the process.